Work Inspection Camera RICOH SC-20 is a camera that automatically inspects for human error in production sites using image recognition. As you can see, SC-20 installed at the top checks the work status in real time, allowing you to proceed with the work correctly while confirming the camera's judgment. Replacing visual inspections with SC-20 automatic inspections not only prevents defective products from being shipped, but also reduces the workload of workers and inspectors. The inspection results are displayed on the monitor, and the work instruction manuals are linked to the work process, allowing workers to proceed jobs smoothly without confusion. In addition to shape, color, and the presence or absence of screws, we offer many other inspection modes. With 4K resolution, you can even inspect fine details. Supports data input from barcode readers. All work results are recorded as log data, which can be used to improve traceability and work efficiency. SC-20 is a product that can perform 3 roles in one. It not only prevents defective products from being shipped due to human error, but also supports workers by displaying instructions and can be used to improve productivity by analyzing work records.